USA, where else, there used to be a guy who would show up to county fairs, air shows and drag racing events in what can only be described as a nitro-powered school bus. This yellow rectangle defied conventional aerodynamics by just muscling the atmosphere out of its way, as it thundered down the quarter-mile, usually just on two back wheels, shooting fireworks all the way to a comfortable 12-second pass. While it may sound like the sideshow plot of a Dukes of Hazzard episode, the cool bus is the perfect cultural simile to the 2017 Mercedes-AMG GLS63. Sure, it isn't yellow, but the 580 horsepower, four-wheel drive, seven-seater school-run machine completes the standing 400 meters in about the same time as that 1,000 horsepower, wheelie-popping yellow bus. And while it can't shoot fireworks, it sounds like it can, and that's just as important. It is a monstrous consumption device, devouring fuel, tires, brakes and tarmac as fast as its 2,580 kilograms will allow. And at $219,950, all prices are noted before options and on-road costs, the ride isn't cheap. As an actor on a stage, the GLS63 plays all parts in Beauty and the Beast. The AMG body styling, 22-inch vane wheels and recent front and rear lap and fascia updates are for Bell. The dating but still comfortable, luxurious and well-equipped interior represent the castle, and that 430 kilowatts, 760 Nm twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 is pure beast. The thing is, it's also as obnoxious as Gaston, and as sensible as the talking teapot.